Hello fans, I will show you the new Dragline Cat excavator.
Wow. Macy?
Yeah,
Macy the new, wow. It's a new toy.
yeah, it's a
Okay.
new toy. I add a rock to hold the weight.
Explain your toy. Yung mga...
It moves every movement.
movement. It's a rock?
Yeah,
Why?
I
Why
forgot. That will hold on, and I would. If you remove it, it builds.
It removes the rock.
The-
Your
it-
excavator is hulog.
Yeah,
Okay.
add that.
Go. Kaya pala may pabigat. Okay. Ganda, galing.
Yeah,
What's that? What's this?
a boom.
A boom? Oh, so longer Dito ko ating lang din sa Okay, nagkakaintindihan naman tayo, di ba?
Yeah,
Okay. What's this?
a bucket.
What?
The end.
What?
Bucket.
A bucket?
Yeah.
Okay. Okay. You explain this toy.
Yeah, it's
It's made from
cardboard
and
rope and rock and screws.
screw.
It's more small. It's more bigger from.
Wow, galing Isa mahaba naman ang kanyang ngayon. Ang bago niya naman gawa. Bagong
It's
Invento.
smaller from this.
Okay. Go. Wow, may small ka pa Okay, galing Nakatayo ng utak mo tayo Okay.
And
Go.
it's
Nice
more
work.
taller from that. It's more even taller.
Galing What's that? In the
That's a swimming. That's
What?
a string drive. Those are the legs to move. It moves backward and I'll move
Made from the
cardboard. Bottle of the cookie sticks.
Tiko?
Yeah.
Ang galing Tingnan natin sa pans mo. Wow! Yan pala yung pinapako mo kanina.
Yeah. But that just cracked. That's okay.
Ang galing Okay. That was nice work.
Yeah.
Again.
Thank you.
Okay. Oh, say goodbye na to your fans.
Goodbye, pens.
Okay.
And the new vehicle today is a whole truck to carry all the dirt.
Wow!
Ay.
Talaga.